हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अगेन राजशेखर। आज मैंने एक बहुत ही एक्चुअली बहुत ही मेजर मिस्टेक किया था। मैंने आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि वो मिस्टेक करने से मेरे क्या नुकसान हुआ। एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज़, अगर आपने सीखा तो आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आप वो मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे। ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ आई वांट टू द सिल्वर इज़ गोइंग टू गो अप. I recognize that okay, the silver is going to go up today. Okay, it's going up today. Was thinking, okay, the buyers came in very aggressively, so I want to buy it. I want to buy it when the price got lower. So I want to get. I'm very cleanly observing this move. Okay, I'm very cleanly observing this move. I want to get in within this move. I want to get in it here. Okay, where is my entry price? I want to enter it. I want to enter at 38150. I want to buy it. So I placed an order. Okay, where is my order book? Yeah, here is my order book. I placed an order. Price is 38150. This is actually a limit order, and मैं buy करना चाहता था 13:48:19 seconds पे. Okay, 38150 13:48:19. Okay, we are actually returning into chat. ओके 13:48:19 सेकेंड्स पे मैंने ऑर्डर लगाया था. ओके 13:48. ओके हियर एट दिस प्लेस मैंने ऑर्डर लगाया था कि 150 पे मेरा बाई ऑर्डर चाहिए. ओके आई विल ड्रॉ दिस लाइन. सॉरी सर, मेरी हेल्थ थोड़ा सा ख़राब है. ओके दिस इज़ 150. This is 150. Can I zoom out? Yeah, I'm zooming out. Actually, here is we can watch 1 minute chats. Now there also we can watch it, but little bit is it's actually risky. 150 में मैं बाई करना चाहता था, और देखिए 150. Where is this 150? I'm just done. Yeah, here is the 150. I want to enter at 150. Okay, I want to enter at 150. It came down to 149.5 also. Okay, I didn't got filled at all. Okay, my stop loss is here somewhere at this place, and my targets will be like this one. Yeah, here. Actually, my targets got heated. Okay, my targets got heated, and it's above 1:10 hour trade, guys. Okay, I just missed 1:10 hour trade because of the bloody simple mistake. The mistake is 38,150. Is this a round figure? Okay, is this a round figure, right? Okay, it is a round figure. The Indian people wants to buy it at that price, 150, 151, 151. Okay, they want to buy it 150. They want to buy it 200. They want to buy it 250. They want to buy it. They need an accurate prices. It's not the correct way of trading. For this is the way, for these reasons, if we want to enter at the position, we are thinking that 38,151 will be my entry price. It's not 50. Okay, if I want to exit, 38,151 will be my exit price. If I want to enter, 38,149 will be my exit price. If I want to enter, 38,151 will be my entry price. Because the people, it's actually so psychology. You might be having saving the Adidas shoes is 4,999. It's not 5,000. Okay, 5,000 means okay, it is going to be 5,000s. But in 4,000s, it's going to be 4,999. Simple mistake, but I did it today. Actually, I was thinking that I need to fill this 150 only. I need to get my price. But I even single second I didn't thinking that okay, let's give me one more single point, 38,151. Okay, it's actually reached my profits, and it didn't fill me up. It went shoot up, and it's actually filled the profits. Try to understand. 13 hours 48 minutes and 19 seconds में मैंने ऑर्डर लगाया था. अभी ये लगभग 400 पॉइंट्स की प्रॉफिट पे चल रहे हैं. ओके, 400 पॉइंट्स प्रॉफिट पे चल रहे हैं, और मेरी लगभग मैक्सिमम स्टॉप लॉस होगी 25 पॉइंट्स, मैक्सिमम 30 पॉइंट्स ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस. Okay, try to understand this. Next time you don't make even I swear that I don't make this mistake. I will never make this mistake again. Okay. even you try to do this, and you don't rigid with your price. It's not about 150s, it's not about multiplies of 50s, it's not about multiplies of hundreds, it's not about multiplies of 500s, it's not multiplies of thousands. It's too dangerous. Okay, it's too dangerous. And it didn't fill up. Maybe if, even though if it is want to fill up, the USD it's cracking today. I don't know. Every bit of my analysis is USD INR. It's randomly moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Good day.